At Norwest, we spend not just office time working on a project. It's important to us that our employees are out in the field, seeing firsthand what the needs are, getting out with clients, interacting with them, and getting their hands dirty.
One of Norwest's greatest strengths is our ability to actually go to a project site or a mine site and get down to the nitty-gritty of what's going on there. We have the expertise and the background to get into the field, get hands-on, examine equipment, assess manpower requirements at a particular site, do the work that needs to be done in the office, but we're also able to transcend to the actual mine site itself and provide value to our clients there.
One of the main things we do at Norwest is try and ensure that our different disciplines are integrated. In other words, our geoscientists are engaged with our water resources people and our mining engineers, and that we're not working in silos.
We're not so large that it becomes a distant or an arm's length relationship with every person. There's still a personal relationship between our president or our managing director and the junior engineers. The president, the CEO, the CFO, or the managing director all have personally touched many of our projects, and they make it one of their goals to actually touch these projects.
Our clients have access to senior managers. We arrange ourselves that way. The clients are getting highly experienced, highly skilled people directly involved in what they do.
You can do anything you want on paper, but the reality is, how do you take that plan and take it out to the field and make it work? And that's what we bring to the client, is the ability to say, yes, here's the plan, but also we know you can take this plan and make it work.
Whether you're dealing with our mining group or our geotechnical group or our geology group, there's the continuity of knowledge of the project and knowledge of the issues that face the client, and that follows all through the stages. If I want to walk down the hallway and talk to a geologist, they can show me pictures and they can tell me about their experience, that then leads to giving me a better base of knowledge for my portion of the design, which then leads into the mine plan, and all of that knowledge is carried and continuous right through from concept to completion for the client. And I think that that's a benefit that you can't get elsewhere.
They have the requisite intelligence, knowledge, expertise, and experience to be able to provide not maybe only an answer, but maybe multiples of answers and multiple solutions. That's invaluable when you've got many millions of dollars at risk, in some cases billions of dollars at risk. Being able to solve problems, be reactive, and then be proactive in the solution is critical, and Norwest has been instrumental in providing us with assistance in being able to do that.
Well, we've been using Norwest pretty extensively at Westmoreland for some time, and I've found them to be very responsive, very professional, and I've used them on and off for M&A activity, for mine planning activities. I have a lot of trust in that organization. I have a lot of trust in the people that work there.
Each of our professionals, when they are doing work in the field, have all of Norwest behind them. The ability to phone and talk to people in our offices in Calgary, West Virginia, Vancouver, Denver, Salt Lake. This kind of experience helps find innovative solutions to our clients' problems.
The first thing they do is they come in and try to understand what it is you're trying to achieve. And they sit down and talk with management, talk with engineering, talk with mine personnel, and try to determine what it is we're trying to achieve. And then collaboratively work with mine management, work with the engineering groups to develop solutions that work for our organization.
Norwest has had a long history and a rich history in working in international projects. It's interesting to watch these professionals from Norwest go to the site, work with the local people, and get to know what their requirements are in the local area. With that, combined with the background and experience they have from other regions of the world, they're able to adapt those special circumstances locally with the best technologies, with the best solutions. The end product of all that we do is hopefully in offering to the world and its civilizations the best that mining can offer.
We work in the potash industry, oil sands industry, and coal industry. It's hard to find a company where you can get that variety of work right out of the chute.
As far as I know, there isn't anybody out there that puts the whole package together the way that we do. We're hired for our expertise and for our thinking, but we engage the clients as we think about how we're going to solve a particular problem.
They're thinking like a team member. They're thinking like an employee of Great Northern Properties, not just as a consultant.
The best compliment that we get at Norwest is repeat work from long-term clients. That proves that they trust us and that they value the work that we do.
We don't outsource bits and pieces of your job. You hire us and get Norwest all the way.
I've always been able to contact any of their people, get a timely response, and not only the response, but above and beyond what I'm trying to solve. They're jumping in with both feet, trying to provide other solutions, thinking out of the box, and taking ownership of what it is that we're trying to accomplish and assist as a team member, not as a consultant.
We also are able to do all of this work, and a lot of it inherently dangerous, without hurting anybody. We have a high degree of skill and a high degree of commitment to doing our operations in a safe manner so that the client gets what they need, top of that list being no one gets hurt in doing it.
In the U.S. alone, the mining industry provides about 1.1 million jobs. The important thing to the mining industry that all of those people come home safely each day. As we provide our services to our clients need to know that we are enhancing their safety cultures.
Within Canada, Western Canada is leading the nation. And within Western Canada, the key commodities that are driving the economy are oil sands, potash, and coal. Norwest is involved in each one of those commodities. I think that speaks well for the future of this company.
The mining industry is going to go through some challenging times in the near-term future. Norwest will be part of the solution to those challenges.